Hey guys, KattMcAdam here with my husband, John. Ah!
Quickly, while she's gone, run, save yourselves, for it's more candy, and my body doesn't need this.
Oh, my ear. That was mean.
A little.
You're mean.
I'm a terrible person, but you're also making me eat all this candy.
You know how else sounds like that affect me?
She's dying, can't you tell? Quickly, save yourselves from the candy.
That was mean.
And I will grant you a torture back later. Find something that will be evil to me on a food try video, and I will consume it.
Okay.
As we've done in the past when I've done something mean. Torture me for a video. Find something evil.
Yeah.
I'm doomed.
Anyway.
Take a moment. Breathe out slowly. Slowly. Through the mouth. Okay, we're good now.
I hope.
You are.
Okay, anyway, we don't really have much of a theme this one. Yes, there is candy, and there's one thing that isn't candy.
I don't know, I'd call the other thing not candy, too.
Yeah, so technically we have 2 non-candies and a candy.
It's still a sweet snacky thing.
Yeah, so
What the heck is that?
I want to save that for last.
Help me.
But we're going to try this one first, which everyone knows. In some things, the 90s was great.
Oh boy.
Some things.
For example, we had good music. We had some decent TV shows. We're not going to talk about our clothing choices. Oh, we're not talking about our clothing choices.
No. And we had some we had some tasty snacks that were bad for you.
Oh, were they?
And one of them is Dunkaroos, which basically is a freaking cookie that you dip in frosting.
Oh no.
But,
oh no.
So, I got us some Dunkaroos, but they came out with a new flavor.
But you think, considering the company went defunct back in the 90s and only came back for a limited time in the past couple years, but now they're throwing all this at us? This is Dunkaroos vanilla cookies and orange sherbet frosting.
So I'm thinking a creamsicle.
You are my creamsicle. Anyway.
If you know that reference, you're old like us.
Nutritional facts. Serving size, 1 tray with frosting, 42 grams. Amount per serving, calories, 180 grams of calories. Total fat, 7 grams. Saturated fat, 3 grams. Trans fat, 0 grams. Cholesterol, 0 milligrams. Sodium, 100 milligrams. Total carbohydrates, 30 grams. Dietary fiber, 0 grams. Total sugars, 18 grams, including 17 grams added sugars. Jeez! And 1 gram of protein.
Protein!
Let's see. It says it may contain milk ingredients, but looking at the ingredient list, I'm fine.
It's just made in a place that uses milk, so.
Yeah, and powder is a milky thing.
And which, once again, found these at my local 7-Eleven.
Check out your local convenience stores early and often. They will have the weirdest things that you think, oh, it's just a 7-Eleven. It only carries what corporate tells them. No. They have a little bit of authority to fill up with some weird stuff.
And the color reminds me of the orange Push Pops.
Well, orange sherbet flavor. Those were orange sherbet.
Those were so good.
But do you know what it makes me think of, actually?
What?
Handy snacks. It looks like the cheese dip that came with Handy Snacks.
I don't know if you can see. It's pretty bright, but there's a D on there.
Haha.
There's a D.
It's got the D.
Okay, we're not blurry because I know a couple of my videos, part of my videos have been... I have one video where only my half is blurry. Yeah, I know. I managed to kind of fix it. Don't ask me how, but...
Something tells me we need to get an actual camera or something at this rate.
But I like using my phone.
It's easier, yes, but... Oh.
Smells like orange sherbet.
Yeah, it does.
Mine!
You know what? Have it. Oh, that's sweet. Oh, that's like Bezos rich. Ah. You can have it.
Yum.
I mean, I don't hate it, but oh, that's rich.
I mean, what a shock. It's a cookie dipping in frosting.
Yeah.
But yummy.
All right. Ah, God, that was too sweet. I need something savory to counter that. What you got?
Nuts.
Right after the D, we get nuts.
These nuts. But
a children's picture.
Oh, heck no. We know that for a fact it's not.
Halves and pieces. Cashews. Ramen noodle flavor.
I know. That's why I got them. I'm like, wait, what? And there's 7-Eleven brand.
7-Eleven. What's wrong with you? This is weird. Okay, I'm looking at the nutritional facts. It's nuts. You're fine. Ingredients: cashews, sunflower oil and or cottonseed oil, ramen miso seasoning, red miso powder, soy sauce powder, dehydrated garlic, green onions.
It's throwing them off so badly.
All right, let's...
You can do it! God. Not getting anything?
I smell cashews.
Cashews?
Grab a couple. And one more, just make an even bit.
Cashews.
Yeah. All right.
There we go. I do get some ramen flavor.
There's a problem with your statement, though. Some.
It's not strong.
No.
But it's actually nice.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Actually, it's a nice compliment for the cashews, which is a weird thing to say, but...
But.
Actually, it's pretty good. I could probably eat these.
I probably have another handful or two, but otherwise, no, not really.
You wouldn't buy them, but if someone happened to offer you some, you wouldn't...
I would take them. Yes, I would take them up on that.
So there you go. Would I buy them often? I have to be in a mood, but I'd eat them. And that broke down the sweetness, didn't it?
Oh, thoroughly. I will give it credit on that. So let's ruin that.
Okay, now.
Let's ruin this. What the heck is that thing?
Okay, so some time ago, I went to one of the supermarkets nearby called La Bonita.
La Bonita Supermarkets.
And in line, I spotted this, and it reminded me of the Kinder eggs.
There's a problem with that. That's not a Kinder Egg. Kinder Eggs are for chickens. They're chicken sizes. That's an emu Kinder Egg. What the heck?
It's called King Egg.
No kidding, it's a king, because that's a big egg.
But it's so cute. Look at that.
Los huevos gigantes.
It is so cute. They come with different characters on them. That is so freaking adorable.
It almost looks like a character you would draw.
Yeah.
Is that why you grabbed it?
It's probably the one I like the most.
Artists, ladies and gentlemen. Artists. Chocolate flavored spread. Contains milk. And here we go. All right.
It opens out. It comes. There's a fidget spinner.
There's a toy, yes. What the heck are you?
It's a finger puppet. Rawr. Arg.
Arg. Okay, that's enough.
Can you tell I might have a couple of fidget toys myself?
You might be easily amused, yes. And it looks like there's 2 of these little weird thingies. Which is perfect. One for each of us.
Yes.
And look!
It comes with spoons.
Little spoony things.
It's so cute. And look, you can collect them all.
Gotta catch 'em all. Giant egg!
Oh, the pink one you got is dreamy. Yes, they have names. Yeah, see? Finger puppets. You can have one for each finger.
The little spoon. It says eggs time. Not egg time. Eggs time.
Oh no, this one isn't that one. This one is...
A nightmare. Because his eyes are uneven. I think it's... Flip it back. I think it's Beauty.
You think so? It does, oh yeah, it is Beauty, I think.
It doesn't have a mouth. It's Beauty.
Well, no, it does have a mouth. It's closed, and it almost matches the little thing. No, I want to buy more of these just to get them.
No, you're right for a second. I'm pretty sure that's Dreamy.
Oh, okay. So that is
because of the head. The head shape at the tip.
Ah.
Just the tip. Yeah. Also, yeah, it does come with fidget spinners. King Egg. Collect them all. Focus attention. The toys you grow up with.
Holy
crap. Alright, you get these open.
This is such a...
I have to take my drugs.
Yes, I am very easily amused.
Maybe she's born with it. Maybe it's ADHD. No, that's me.
No, I have other things.
Wow, these are difficult to open.
Yeah, see, it's not just me.
Help, I'm being assaulted.
Hey!
I'm being abused.
That's how you give people like me in trouble.
Nah.
So, yeah. Okay, you see the chocolate? And it's got white balls. They're fall. They're loose. They're loose balls. The jokes. The jokes are bad.
Yeah, there's a reason I didn't tilt mine to show. I noticed.
Yeah.
Alright, so I think you're supposed to mix this up. Oh, there's also a cream in it, too. Not just chocolate, but also cream.
There's a white filling inside. I'm so bad this episode.
Alright. Here we go. Vanilla and chocolate. Almost like buttercream, I guess.
It's not as sweet as you would think.
No, it's really not.
But it's thick.
Oh, yes it is. Well, I don't hate it. It's just different.
Yeah.
I like it a little more than I like the Dunkaroos, though.
But since there's no real theme to this episode, I think we're just going to say whether they belong in the snack stash or if they belong in the trash. Or if they're just right in the middle and they're just nice to have but not to keep.
So I think I kind of like this more than
The Dunkaroos.
Dunkaroos. But honestly, I don't know if we'd get it again. I say as I clean the whole thing out. I have never admitted to not being a hypocrite.
So,
If you got the giant egg again, if you got los huevos gigantes again, yeah, I'd be okay with it. The cashews, good for a snacky. If you need something savory or just you like cashews. Dunkaroos are all yours. Pass. Give me the original Dunkaroos.
I mean, I liked everything. I'd definitely buy the egg again. And not just for the chocolate, but the toys. You leave this with me, I'm going to have so much fun.
We have to finish the video sometime.
Yeah, I know.
Otherwise, you won't.
I know.
Anyway.
I buy the egg again. The cashews, only if I'm feeling it. Not too sure about the orange sherbet Dunkaroos. They were good. And it's one of those, if someone gave them to me, sure, I'd eat them. But, maybe the chocolate or maybe even the vanilla. I don't know. But, yeah. Whew, excuse me. With all that said and done, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to see what else we do, of course we do other try videos, we do drink videos, we do alcohol videos, which, to YouTube standards, 18 and over. And my story-based podcast called Good Morning McAdam Hi, based on my webcomic called Deadline. You can find the website down below in the description, and it's on its 6th season, so if you want to see what that's about, you can check out from the very beginning. Season 1 through 5 is in their own playlists.
Yes.
Hit the
subscribe button.
Subscribe button. I can talk pretty. And if you want to know when these come out, hit that bell and make it ring.
Ding-a-ding.
Till next time, bye. Oh my god. And cut.